Hello guys, for today's video, I will go to school right now because look, this is my ID, guys. That's me. I'm from Nuestra Senora de Guia Academy, and I will just say my full name and where do I live. I'm joking. And it's Teacher's Day, so I will show you this. That is what I'm gonna give to teacher. So it's many kind teachers because it's my Teacher's Day. And my precious bag. I told you my other bag is Kuromi, so this is my melody. Let's go. Tour of my bag. Let's go. First up, our pretty bag. I told you. Let's open it up. Ooh, so many. Have you seen my wallet, guys? Because comment down below. OMG. OMG, guys, my favorite. Let's look at inside. That is what inside of my bag. So now let's close it. Next up for the front. Ouch, my knee. That's what is inside. And you clearly know that from my Kuromi bag. Yeah, that's all what is inside of here. So you may be guessing, Hannah, what are you gonna bring? Even your tumbler. Are you gonna bring a big bag or not? Yes, you're right. If someone says you're gonna bring a big bag, no, that's not right. I'm not gonna bring a big bag because it's just short period and what's the name of it? It's Teacher's Day. So sit back and relax. Enjoy this banger video. Let's go. So that's what I just look. And my tumbler, my tumbler is this, guys. This is my precious tumbler. So I think 60 years or 6 years. 6 years. Okay, I'm right. It's 6 years of I'm in Nuestra because when I was born, I was in the Ato, and clearly it's no aircon, but it's free, for free. But in Nuestra, there's aircon, and you have many things to do, a gym, something else, but more. And it's very fun that we have a library in our school, guys. If you read, comment down below, comment down. Because if you're gonna read, comment down below. Because if you want to be in Nuestra, just fill up. Let's go. So that's what I just want to say. And bye.